Are you okay?
No, very tired.
Are you tired?
Yes, so tired.
Is work hard?
Yes, very hard.
Did you work today?
Yes, all day long.
Are your eyes closing?
Yes, very sleepy now.
Do you want rest?
Yes, I need rest.
Do you want water?
Yes, please, thank you.
Here is some water.
Thank you so much.
Is water helping you?
Yes, feeling better now.
Want to sit down?
Yes, please, let's sit.
Is the bench close?
Yes, right over there.
Shall we sit here?
Yes, good idea, friend.
Do you feel better?
Yes, a little better.
Did you sleep well?
No, not very well.
Why not sleep well?
Too much homework yesterday.
Is homework hard sometimes?
Yes, very hard sometimes.
Do you have homework?
Yes, every single day.
Is that too much?
Yes, feels like much.
When did you sleep?
Very late last night.
Is late sleeping bad?
Yes, makes me tired.
Do you want home?
Yes, want to rest.
Is home far away?
No, just 5 minutes.
Can you walk home?
Yes, I can walk.
Do you need help?
Maybe help my bag?
Here, I will help.
Thank you very much.
Is your bag heavy?
Yes, quite heavy today.
What is in there?
Books and my lunch.
Do you eat lunch?
Yes, but small lunch.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, very hungry now.
Do you want dinner?
Yes, please, thank you.
What do you want?
Soup and warm bread?
Is soup good now?
Yes, soup feels good.
Do you feel warm?
Yes, nice and warm.
Is the walk okay?
Yes, I can walk.
Do you need break?
Yes, just 1 minute.
Let's take a break.
Yes, thank you, friend.
Are you feeling dizzy?
A little, just tired.
Do you want rest?
Yes, want to rest.
Should you sleep early?
Yes, sleep early tonight.
What time is bedtime?
Bedtime is 9 o'clock.
Is 9 good time?
Yes, perfect sleep time.
Do you feel sleepy?
Yes, very sleepy now.
Are your legs tired?
Yes, very tired legs.
Do you want bus?
Yes, bus is faster.
Is the bus coming?
Yes, coming very soon.
Do you see it?
Yes, right over there.
Let's wait together here.
Yes, thank you, friend.
Are you okay now?
Yes, feeling much better.
Is bus stop near?
Yes, very close now.
Do you sit down?
Yes, I will sit.
Is this seat free?
Yes, please sit here.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome, friend.
Do you like work?
Yes, but very tiring.
Is work fun sometimes?
Yes, sometimes fun, too.
What do you do?
I help in office.
Is office work hard?
Yes, sometimes very hard.
Do you sit long?
Yes, sitting is tiring.
Do your legs hurt?
Yes, a little sore.
Should you walk more?
Yes, that would help.
Do you walk sometimes?
Yes, every single evening.
Is walking good exercise?
Yes, very good exercise.
Do you feel stronger?
Yes, feeling much stronger.
Is fresh air nice?
Yes, feels really nice.
Do you like evening?
Yes, evening is calm.
Look, sky is pretty.
Yes, very pretty sky.
Do you like sunsets?
Yes, I love sunsets.
Is that the sunset?
Yes, right over there.
Is it orange colored?
Yes, orange and pink.
Do you feel calm?
Yes, feeling more calm.
Is calm feeling nice?
Yes, very nice feeling.
Are you smiling now?
Yes, a little smile.
That is good sign.
Yes, feeling better now.
Do you want talk?
Yes, talking helps me.
What helps you most?
Talking with good friends.
Am I your friend?
Yes, my good friend.
I am glad, friend.
Thank you, means much.
Do you feel alone?
Sometimes yes, but okay.
You are not alone.
Thank you, feels better.
Do you have family?
Yes, small, nice family.
Do they help you?
Yes, always help me.
That is very nice.
Yes, I am lucky.
Do you feel lucky?
Yes, very lucky now.
Are you almost home?
Yes, almost home now.
Is home comfortable place?
Yes, very comfortable place.
Will you rest soon?
Yes, resting very soon.
Will you sleep early?
Yes, sleeping very early.
Is sleep important always?
Yes, very important always.
Do you feel hopeful?
Yes, feeling more hopeful.
Tomorrow will be better.
Yes, I believe so.
Do you believe that?
Yes, I really believe.
That is good thinking.
Thank you, feels true.
Are you thankful today?
Yes, very thankful today.
Thankful for what today?
Thankful for good friends.
That makes me happy.
Me too, very happy.
Is your home close?
Yes, very close now.
Do you feel ready?
Yes, ready to rest.
Have a good rest.
Thank you. You too.
Sleep well tonight, friend.
Thank you. Good night.
See you tomorrow, friend.
Yes, see you tomorrow.